our design. It will be called Flange. We'll create new cylinder on the top face, 50 diameter and 20 high. We will create a sketch on the top plane, create a circle from the center, dimensions is 42 mm, making it as a construction circle and creating a point anywhere on our circle. Then we are constraining it horizontal, vertical, selecting the point and the midpoint. And then we will create a circular pattern. As an object, we will select our point. As a center point, obviously selecting the center point. We are using 6 points in a pattern. That's okay. Let's finish the sketch. Create holes, selecting our points. We do not need to select the middle point. Alright. We'll be doing just a simple tapped with full threads and flat drill. The distance will be to all, means it will be just doing it up to the bottom of the part. Now we'll be using 6 mm modeled and just using that one. Alright, let's create a new sketch on the top. First will be 30, second will be 32, and the third one will be 35. We are finishing the sketch, extruding the outer edge minus 2.5, switching back on the sketches, the last sketch, then we're selecting the middle one and extruding it minus 16. We are finalizing with small chamfer on the bottom, side and the inside edge only. It will be 0.35. In general, our part is ready. Let's insert some fixings. Let's choose the units. It will be ISO and the metric part. Let's choose the bolts. As example, we can use a socket head. This one, we don't need to choose the size. We just need to hover and click it on the top face, and our bolt is there. Already inserted, and because we can see the joint assembly symbol means it's rigidly joined in there. But we can see the bolt is not long enough. What we can do, we can go back into our fastener, edit fastener, and we can make it longer. Let's make it a bit longer than that. Alright, we have a bolt inserted. Let's insert a washer as well. We are choosing again ISO, scrolling it down, choosing the metric. Here choosing the washers, plain washer. Let's say the normal series. And when you will hover it around, it will automatically adapt to your screw size. When you click it first time, it adapts to the bolt. When you click it second time, in this case, we can just press OK. It will be already attached face up. Means in general it should be not interfering with the actual body. Let's insert a nut, but we need to choose again the ISO, and we need to choose the metric. We are choosing the nuts. Let's do the hex nut. Let's have a look. Ooh. Let's do the let's do the locking one. And okay. Our part, bolt and nut is fitted.